before, which is, if I'm trying to move into a new house, or say I'm a college student that has just moved into their dorm room, and I want to put up some curtains to make the place a little bit nicer, but I want to know how tall the ceiling is. Now, if I do it traditionally, I have to get a tape measure or potentially even a ladder and climb up to figure out the distance between the floor and the ceiling. But with the Project Tango device, what I can simply do is use the sensors built into it and actually simply do a measurement. I can say, well, how tall is this roof? I just tap. It leaves a little yellow marker on the ceiling, and then I tick on the ground, and it tells me that it's 9 feet 5 inches tall. If I want to actually say measure the carpet, or I want to figure out how big this area rug is, I simply do the same thing. I click on the point here, whoops, point here, walk over here, over here, and I'm just tapping on the screen, telling the camera to measure the point that I'm looking at. And it tells me it's about 9 feet 7 inches that way, and 7 feet 6 inches that way. Let me do like one more measurement, which is figuring out, say, the area of an environment. So if I pick another poster, I can simply close off the square, and it actually tells me the total area of the environment of this area I just marked off, which is 2 feet squared. So now that I've actually measured my space, let's actually go shopping for some furniture. So it's a new room, it's empty. Let's figure out if the sofa that I want to buy is going to actually fit in the room. So this is a program by a company called Elementals. It's one of the partners that we started working with to develop Project Tango apps. And what it does is it gives us a small library of items that we can place in this environment. So if I want to see if let's see how many sofa sections we can actually fit in this part of the stage. So what I can do is I simply tap on it and drag it to the screen like this. I can rotate it and reposition it. And if I want to try to extend the size of the couch, I simply drag another section off, and it'll snap. And you can see about how much clearance we have on this part of the wall. We can see how far it sticks out from the stage. But brown isn't a really particularly good color. So let's actually spruce it up just a little bit and sort of add a flower arrangement like that. Now that I'm done with my living room, let's do something in the kitchen space. So one of the other partners we've started working with is Lowe's. And Lowe's has a tremendously large library of appliances for its customers. The refrigerator,